Good day, everyone. For today's session, we're going to have inverse function. I am Mr. Jonathan Piroman, a Mathematics A teacher from Eli Barangka Integrated School. So let's start our discussion with the definition of an inverse function. So it states here that the definition of the inverse of a function tells that the domain of f is equal to the range of the inverse of the given function, or f of negative 1, or f raised to negative 1, and vice versa. This means that if the function f is the set of ordered pairs xy, yan yung the usual way natin na pagsusulat ng ordered pairs xy, x coordinate, y coordinate. Then the inverse of f or the given function is the set of ordered pairs yx. So kung pasisimplihin po natin ang definition ng inverse function, pinagpalit lang natin si xy ng pwesto. Kaya lang, nagkakaroon kasi tayo ng konting complexity or difficulty if the given function is written in a function notation. So that will be the main concentration of our discussion later on. Okay, so let's have our example. So find the inverse of the following functions. So number 1, f of x is equal to 6x minus 3. Ano ba yung una nating proseso sa pagkuha ng inverse function, lalo na kung yung function ay nakasulat in function notation. So first thing na gagawin natin is palitan natin yung f of x ng y. So from f of x equals 6x minus 3, we have y equals 6x minus 3. Yun po yung una nating step. Next nating step is i-interchange natin yung pwesto, yung i-interchange natin si x saka si y. So paano po yun? We have x is equal to 6y minus 3. So si x nilagay ko dun sa kaliwa, si y nilagay ko dun sa pwesto ni x kanina. Pinagpalit lang natin in layman's term. So after nating i-interchange yung si x saka si y, ang next nating gagawin is solve for the value of y. Solve natin yung value ni y. So paano po yun? So lilipat po natin si negative 3 doon sa kabila. Alam natin ang epekto niyan ay x plus 3 equals 6y. Para masadali po nating masolve yung function, yan, isulat po natin sa ganitong itsura. So you have 6y equals x plus 3. Pinagpalit ko lang. Ayan, inayos lang natin. So solving for the value of your y, dahil si y lang naman ang kailangan natin, we will divide both each terms by 6. So 6y divided by 6, x divided by 6, 3 divided by 6. I-cancel natin ito. Y is equal to x plus 3 all over 6. But then, since we're talking about inverse function, ito po ay isusulat natin in the form inverse of function x is equal to x plus 3 over 6. Inverse of the function x is equal to x plus 3 over 6. So yan po yung ating sagot or inverse ng function of x equals 6x minus 3. Okay? That's number 1. Let's have example number 2. Example number 2, we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3. So just like what we did on the first example, ang gagawin lang ho natin is palitan yung f of x ng y. So you have here y is equal to x cubed plus 3. So after po natin palitan yung y natin, yung f of x natin ng y, ang next po natin gagawin is i-interchange si y tsaka si x. So you will have x is equal to y cubed plus 3. Pinagpalit lang natin. Okay? So in this case, after natin i-interchange si y tsaka si x, the next thing that we need to do is to solve for the value of your y. So alam natin na si 3, ililipat natin yan dito sa may kaliwa. So you will have x minus 3 is equal to y raised to 3. So para sa dali ho nating maunawaan at masolve yung inverse ng function, we have y cubed is equal to x minus 3. Pinagpalit ko lang, inikot lang natin. And then after that, since we are asked to solve for the value of your y, so kukuhanin po natin yung cube root ng both sides. Kung naalala niyo po yung radical equations ng grade 9, para makuha po natin yung mismong value ni y, dahil naka y raised to 3 yan, we will get the cube root of both sides. In this case, you have y, makakancel kasi yan eh. So y is equal to cube root of x minus 3. But then, since we're talking about the inverse of a function, ito po ay isusulat natin sa form na inverse of the function x is equal to cube root of x minus 3. So, yan po yung sagot natin. Yan po yung inverse ng function natin sa number 2, which is given by f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3. So, naway marami kayong naunawaan, marami kayong nakuha sa ating maikling discussion regarding on how to get the inverse of a function. So again, I am Mr. Jonathan Piroman, a Mathematics 8 teacher from Ilaya Barangka Integrated School.